Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cheese in WoW. Cheesing in World of Warcraft refers to employing clever, often unconventional, strategies to gain an advantage. This might involve exploiting enemy pathing, using environmental elements, or leveraging specific class abilities in unexpected ways. It is about finding creative solutions to challenging situations, often leading to quicker or easier victories against tough opponents. One common cheese strategy involves kiting, where you continuously move to avoid damage while dealing your own. Imagine pulling a powerful enemy and running it around a large pillar, slowly whittling down its health. Another tactic is using line of sight to break enemy spells or reset their aggro, allowing you to recover. Sometimes, you can even trap enemies in environmental geometry, making them easy targets. These methods require careful positioning and timing. You should consider using cheese when facing particularly difficult solo content, like powerful elite enemies or challenging quest bosses. If your gear isn't quite up to par, or if you're struggling with a specific mechanic, a clever cheese strategy can be your best friend. It is especially useful when traditional methods have failed multiple times, offering a fresh perspective and a potential breakthrough for your gameplay. The rewards of successfully cheesing an encounter are immense, offering a great sense of satisfaction and often saving you a lot of time. However, there are risks. Repeatedly failing a cheese attempt can be incredibly frustrating and might even take longer than a conventional approach. Furthermore, some highly effective cheese tactics might be considered exploits by game developers and could potentially be patched out in future updates, so use them wisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.